Hello kids, welcome to my channel Funtale Kids.
Red Heart 1. Red. Red is the color of an apple. Red apple. Musical note: red like a fire truck, red like a rose. Red is the color that everybody knows. Orange circle 2. Orange. Orange is the color of a juicy orange tangerine. Musical note: orange like carrots, orange like fun. Bright and warm like the setting sun. Yellow Heart 3. Yellow. Yellow is the color of the sun. Musical note: yellow like sunshine, smile so wide. Yellow's the color of joy inside. Green Heart 4. Green. Green is the color of the grass herb. Musical note: green like frogs, trees, and peas. Green is the color of leafy leaves. Blue Heart 5. Blue. Blue is the color of the sky rainbow. Musical note: blue like oceans, calm and deep. Blue is cool and helps us sleep. Purple Heart 6. Purple. Purple is the color of grapes. Musical note: purple like a royal crown. Purple turns that frown upside down. Brown Heart 7. Brown. Brown is the color of a bare face. Musical note: brown like chocolate, soft and sweet. Brown is the color of soil beneath. Black Heart 8. Black. Black is the color of the night sky, Milky Way. Musical note: black like space, deep and wide. Stars shine bright when black's outside. White Heart 9. White. White is the color of the snowflake. Musical note: white like clouds, fluffy and light. White is calm, clean, and bright. 10. Pink. Pink is the color of cotton candy lollipop. Musical note: pink like flowers, fun and sweet. Pink is cheerful and so neat. Yellow circle, blue circle 11. Gray. Gray is the color of an elephant. Musical note: gray like stones and cloudy skies. Gray is calm and kind and wise. Rainbow 12. Rainbow. A rainbow has all the colors together. Musical note: red and orange, green and blue. Purple, yellow, every hue. Colors are fun, colors are bright. They fill our world with joy and light. Brain mini quiz time. Studio microphone: what color is the sun? Yellow. What color is the apple? Red. What color is the grapes? Purple. Party popper closing line. Great job! You learned your colors. Keep watching Funtale Kid for more fun learning.